Welcome to AlphaCars in Royal Enfield, Boston. My name is Ian. Today I'm reporting from one of our Boxborough showrooms, and in this video we're going to be checking out some awesome accessories for your Royal Enfield Interceptor. This is a 2024 Interceptor 650 in Canyon Red, and we've got some really nice add-ons on this bike, and we're going to go over all of these in this video. Keep in mind you can get any of these accessories right from our online shop, which is shop.alphacars.com. We can ship them right to your door, or you can have your brand new bike accessorized with them before you take delivery of it, just like this one here. This bike is sold, but just before the owner is picking it up, I was just doing this little video to show you what these products look like installed on the bike. Starting out, you'll notice on the gauges here, there's a third gauge you don't normally see on the Interceptor or the Continental GT, and that is a tripper navigation unit, and that links to your phone, Google Maps, and it shows you the next turn you need to take, how far, and things of that nature. It's a pretty cool feature that has been standard on many Royal Enfields for certain model years, but at least in the US market, it doesn't come on the Interceptor or the Continental. And we sell this plug-and-play kit to retrofit one of these factory units right onto your Interceptor or Continental. So check that out on our store. This bike also has a lowering shock set. You can see they look a bit different to the factory ones. You can view all the information about these lowering shocks on our store. We also have a video about those as well, where we do some measurements and give you some good information, but we sell these all the time. They're a really hot item. A lot of people like it. It gets the bikes just low enough where if you aren't super tall or you just want to be able to have fully flat feet on the ground, it makes just that difference, and it makes the bike ride great as well. Now on to these trip machine items. I'm sure you've been eyeing some of these items the whole video, kind of waiting for me to talk about them, but we're at that moment. Let's start on the seat. This is the Trip Machine touring seat in the vintage tan leather. And there's different variations of these seats as well, and you can view all that information on our online shop. But this fits the Continental GT, the Interceptor 650, and the Bear 650 as well. We can see the little Handmade inscription there. It's really a work of art, these items, and it does have a rain bag it comes with as well to cover the seat in the event it needs to be outside in the weather, in the harsh weather. And now we have the Trip Machine Wingman side panel bags in the vintage tan. So there's two of them on this bike. They're mounted on each side cover, so it gives a super unique, awesome look. And we had many different people sit on the bike, and with the stock, with this aftermarket seat being a bit slimmer than the stock seat, and then the natural way your legs kind of curve around the bike, didn't really notice the side bags being there because, of course, the pegs for your feet are out farther than you would think from the bike, so didn't cause any issues there. And we can take a look inside of them as well. They have a quick release buckle system. Just one little push and they open up. We have the outer pocket, which it comes with. The Trip Machine items usually come with a little thank you booklet there, some stickers. And check this out, it's a little wrench as the zipper you pull. It's these items, we've decided to carry them here because we were just so impressed with the fit and finish and the quality. And you open this up and you've got plenty of room in here. And each of these bags, they do come with the rain cover, which is this, and then the bigger rain cover in here is for the seat. And I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I'm doing my best here with the filming, but just check out the fit and finish on these and how well these slide right in. So satisfying. Now lastly on this bike, also from Trip Machine, we have the tank pad set. So these are in the tobacco brown leather and they're in the diamond pattern. And you can see the shape fits the factory tank beautifully. Looks great with the rest of the accessories on the bike. And tank pads are great, no matter what bike you have. They protect the paint on it and they give you a surface to grip, because when you're accelerating and braking, it's really crucial to, in certain circumstances, grip the tank with your knees. It really keeps you stable on the bike and improves your control and prevents you from moving around. And that's part of why you see aftermarket companies making the tank pads or the tank grips so your knees can grip them. But these add an awesome bit of style and a ton of functionality, because those will be actually very, very comfortable for your knees and add the functionality of gripping the tank a lot better than the metal, and also not marring up the painted surface with your riding gear. So that's really all I have for you in this quick video, just showing you these exciting accessories on this Interceptor. And I actually spoke too soon. This has one last accessory. It has a tail tidy kit, which is just this bracket here. So it gets rid of the whole plastic ordeal that hangs way low for the plate. So it just has a nice bracket. You put the plate right on there. And the factory taillight on these, it has the plate light incorporated in the bottom. It has a clear section, so you get the white light on the plate. So it's all according to the local regulation and laws. And you get the added look of the simpler rear end of the bike. And that's something else we sell on our online store as well. So now that's all I have to show you. I've gone through everything we installed on the Interceptor. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.